Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a pretty common tech problem. Imagine you're cruising along on your Windows 10 system, and suddenly you hit a roadblock. Your computer just can't resolve a certain website. Frustrating, right? Well, that's the problem we're tackling today. Now, let's talk solution. So, it turns out that the issue lies in the way Windows handles DNS referrals. When your router returns a referral reply, pointing to other DNS servers to check, Windows does a follow-through. It relies on the DNS server to do all the work before giving you the answer. In this case, your router's DNS software may have gotten a wonky reply from the upstream DNS server, causing the mix-up. Windows just couldn't handle it, and that's why you're facing this hiccup. In a nutshell, the DNS referral response from your router is causing Windows to stumble in resolving the website. It's a classic case of technology playing tricks on us. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like what you heard, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!